Alright guys, we're back to another set. 11 TFT. This is like my 5th take today, man. I'm having a terrible day. I'm just getting slaughtered. Donate an LP. Fed, no. Let's play around with that.
Come closer.
They call me Jolly. They're right.
Try to go for a W here. We're gonna slam this on you. This on you for now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, I don't know what I'm doing yet, guys. We just need to get a W. My very first game of the day, I got 8. The fire alarm was going off while my freaking wasn't gaming, so I had to evacuate the building. And that set the mood for my day. It's been 8, 6, 6, 6, 5th. Last game I got 4th. Like, I'm just slowly making my way back up from this pit of hell I've been in. Some good players on today, though. Emerald's just like, it's been very, like, very where it should be. Like, the players in here are playing very well, so I can't complain. Makes me have to refine my skills. Not really the champion I wanted. Start building that old school comp. Hey, how about that? I haven't done that in a long time. So let's just go to the basics. We're gonna go old school. This is long since fallen off. We're gonna play it for now. Garen. Need Riven. We don't need actually Garen. So being you. Missing somebody. Sorry. We're going back to the basics. We're gonna start pushing for this right now and then go branch out from there. My tanks cannot be spread out any further apart. So we can sell you. With this build, I was going to want to go... I was supposed to go blue kale. It's on the downside. Yeah, this is an old comp, guys. I haven't ran this in a while. This used to be my favorite comp for flexibility, just being comfortable and playing it non-stop. Dun, 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 dun. Must be you for you too. Wait, am I losing experience? I'm not. I better not be. That's consumable. Yeah. Technically, I should go to 2 out of 20 after this round, right? Alright. Alright. No one to sell. 2 out of 20, right? Dun 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 dun. Ooh. That would be nice. What we got there? Probably forgot I was supposed to be grabbing these units. I'm not used to playing this comp. Grab you. We need to put you out on somebody, right? So yeah, 2 out of 20, that's good. So put you out for now. We're gonna make this for our Morellos. Let's stop rolling. How about that? No one needs to be rolling right now. This comp used to be really strong for scaling all the third stage. If you get them out very quickly, it was amazing. So I was doing the old Twin Terror build when that was around. The old two Mumus, two Luxes. That was a fun build. I don't know why they got rid of Twin Terror. The more and more this set goes on, the more and more I find units that can play very well with it.
Such a waste.
Like just the dynamic of the set. Can you imagine like having freaking two Canes running around? Let's move that. Need two belts. Need Gnasher's Tooth. To put items on her. I didn't really want to put on her, but it's okay. Yeah, Blue Cow was the play, but I think having a little bit of attack speed on them is not that bad either. Let's see how it plays out. There's a lot of money. Hello.
Transcendence is never guaranteed.
Alright. Let's get some pairs out. If I could pair this lobby, I'd be set for a really good third stage. Oh, hello.
Let's move. I've got people to inspire.
Well, I don't have much I can say about that. Other than thank you. Sell you for now. I don't actually plan on playing this Nico to 3. Okay, not quite what I wanted. That's not good. This doesn't count as a PvE, right? Air combat. I have one round to figure it out. I think we put out that forced story waiver though. And I could move Zyra out for now.
Burdens of the past.
Do it like that. Bring you in. Right. And then... not ideal. Not ideal. Stand United would be kind of nice pickup. Stand United's really good at this combat caster, all that stuff's really good. Oh, one more. There we go. That should do it. That should do it. I need this win, guys. I need top 3 here so I can walk my dog and get some coffee and start my day. Man, I had a feeling I was going to see this. Like, I'm partially there. Who else is playing Nico? They need to totally pivot my items. No one else is playing Nico right now? You got one, you got one. Stand United be the smart play. I'm gonna drop some Blossom though.
Feel this. Stand back. Big strong Nico coming through.
Put Zyra back out.
As you wish.
Interesting. Ah, it's such a feeling I was gonna see that. Now I gotta cater my items to her. We're gonna go drop blossom with 7 or 5 story weaver. And it's kind of nice because she's gonna be dropping next to Galio, and Galio's gonna have the MR shred, so that's kind of convenient. These items, like all these, like these items I put up though, like yeah, slamming is killing me. Dragonlord Sage, we do want that, so we can actually make this happen. This.
Let's move. I've got people to.
I don't want to just send it.
No place is safe while I'm free.
No, I'm getting way too carried away now.
This is necessary.
Mistakes were made. Don't do that, guys. Don't play like I play. I do silly things for content, and that was not worth it. I got carried away, though. As you can tell. I just want to see one Nico so I can pull the trigger and get off of trying to save up for her. I didn't even use my duplicator on her.
Can our spirits be friends too?
We're not going to get a tier here. We're first. Not really going to get anything we want. For a while, probably. No tiers anyway. The Diana, right? Diana might be the play. Gives us a partial item. That was a wicked roll down of gold, guys. Don't ever do that. That was terrible. Need to have you back out. Yeah, we do that, but not spending all of our money.
I'm Zoe. What's your name?
As I continue to push it. There she is.
Stand back. Big strong Nico coming through.
You guys will hate me for that, but now it's locked and loaded. Like, last time I played Drop Blossom earlier today, I never hit her. So I was just at a disadvantage for the entire game. It was horrible. Now I can just save money and just work on my comp. Oh, I need to put this on. Ah, no, 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 no. Maybe lose experience until you get to the walls. It's not good. I need to do this. He's gonna be my item holder for that. Leave me alone. I don't want any smoke with you guys. So we're missing our bruiser, which is Riven. And then we need... Our Ultras back out would be nice. That'd be Soraka. Oh, enjoy. What? Those ricochets are insane, man. Good for you, Zoe. Good for you. Yeah, I need some serious items here. Come on, tier and BF sword or armor. Tier priority. Tier prio, please. Oh, thank you, game. Thank you.
And you thought it was just a harmless breeze. Come closer.
These don't really help me. Who put this on? All right. Boom.
None will escape my grasp. As you wish.
So get our money back in the game, yes. That loss I took hurt. Arcanist, Gifts from the Fallen. Man, this stuff. Portable Forge is kind of nice. This is huge for me. Story of a Crest. We just send it with the 5 Story Reavers now. Big grab. These are all really good. Creating components is a no-go. Harm assist. Let's either do one of these two. Let's go Story Reaver. That was our plan all along. Right, 5 Story Weaver. Random Garen. Okay, so now we get our Altruist out. That's the core 7 still. That's super nice. And then that we picked up Bruiser and 2 more Story Reaver buff, according to the more than the initial build. Now my Nico's at the mercy of items. Yeah, I'm feeling good about this build, guys. Stat United's what we wanted, with the crit as well. He's doing a very similar build. And lots of people are actually doing Story Reaver builds this game, so I'm happy we hit what we want to hit. 4 items are huge. We like that. Okay. Red and Sunder, no. It'd have to be this. 20 seconds more MR. Yeah, it was just, I guess, a buff holder. So we save away up till Raptors. We'll be back where we need to be with our Econ. If we can keep streaking, that's going to be a bonus. And yeah, we should be able to close this game with top 3. So this is what I needed, guys. I've been just donating LP all day, man. Sucks. I keep going like, I'll go like Emerald 1, then I fell back to Emerald 4, then I got to play Emerald 2, back to Emerald. Like I'm just like ping-ponging back and forth in Emerald. That's nothing to do with like anyone but myself. It's just my playing, right? Get in the air. There we go. Uh-oh. There we go. It's actually a really effective Nico comp. I like it a lot. There's our Galio. Not the item I want, though. I'm getting table scraps anyway, so. Bloodthirst is gone. If we get that Volley Bear, we're happy. That's good. That's another primary item we get. Guardian or Gargoyle, which is super good. How good? So good. Okay, I'll back 40 gold. That takes off a little bit for invulnerability being in there. Now I just need some sort of damage dealing, like Bloodthirst is usually what people go with. We've all seen this build. If not, I will go for anything really. You can throw Titans on here. You just really want her to be healing. Get an encounter coming up too, maybe it's something good. Like a permanent artifact. Sheesh. We're done for. Maybe. We get in there one more time, we're winning this. Watch. It's ours. GG. Tom Kench could still eat us. No, done.
Can our spirits be friends still?
Okay, that's not really important for me. I mean, it's good for late game, but right now I'm not too concerned with that. I don't really want to spend any money. It's gonna be hardcore broke for a bit here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Totally got screwed over on Zoe as well. This guy killed me last time. What are you doing all huddled in the corner? That's like the last place you want to be for my me, like for my positioning. No way. I'll be back for you, Marlon. Okay, we can grab you. I better not have been sitting on aim this third time. Okay, good. So we get the altruist out. We're gonna get our decent little bonus from that. We also get a second heavenly out, which is super good for us. Get some more AP.
Can our spirits be friends still?
Oh.
As you wish.
No heals for you, I guess. I mean, that's still pretty solid. Redemption with Gargoyle. She heals when she gets in the air already, so it's like I just gotta keep getting up in the air. You just dunk me? How dare you? How dare you, good sir? And now the chord striking begins, guys. Stage 5. We shall be the bringer of death. Let's see what our Nico's doing there. 6100. That seems like way. Oh yeah, we got tossed around though. Okay. So let's start pick up here. What's our next big play? An Invoker? Or do we just go for the Sage and get Morgana? Morgana probably wouldn't be a bad pickup. Go for another Dragon Lord as well. Get Econ in here for a third Altruist, that'd be good. So we get what, 20? 20 armor and magic resist team wide? Yeah, that's probably gonna be our play. We're gonna go for Econ. I mean, the Sage wouldn't be bad because then I'd get Omnivamp up front, I think. I already am getting Omnivamp, sorry. Yeah, Rakon's the play. We're gonna wait for that. She's consistently only putting out 6k damage. That's crazy. Did you go for now? Nah, no, hold off. We shall hold off. I don't want to throw away all my money right now. There's still people who could beat me out of this game, so. Gotta play smart. I spent way too much money early, and people that were watching my videos probably like, what is he doing? But if you get it stable, like this board is extremely stable when you get all these units out. This is a C tier comp, by the way, guys. We're playing a C tier comp and we manipulate to make it like probably like an A tier comp. Yeah, this Zyra. They call it Zyra Janna rerolls. Actually, if I go look on the page here, yeah, it's C tier. It's not good. But we're playing it, and the units we're putting out make it stronger than it is. We hit this before Dragon Lord, man. We're laughing. Told you I'd be back for you, Marlong. That was you, right? Yeah, that's right. Oh, there's our Bloodthirster. What's the play here? Need an actual tank item. Another Gargoyle would be good. There. Actually give our Galio an actual tank item. Try to 2-star him. This Zoe has seen better days too. Need some serious love. It looks like they're trying to... Don't feel scared enough to have to force a unit out. Trying to get the Elder. We can easily push this to a 10 comp. Galio's seen better days, that's for sure. Oh my god, I just get slammed. Get in the air. That's all I needed. One more. Ah! He's airborne. Let's go. You don't got me. You don't got me. What's up? What's up? Awesome. 18k. There we go. That feels better. So funny when Adrian just grabbed me and started slamming me in the ground. Embarrassing. Dun, 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 bum, 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 bum. I put myself a little bit more vulnerable here because I'm not next to the Galio. I didn't want this frickin' Lysandra grabbing me first. And if I come in on the corner, I'll be close to my second explosion on Lysandra and her backline. So I just need one more and I'll delete this backline, watch. I got pulled down. Here it comes. Oh yeah, it feels good. One more. Ah! Position matters, guys. You die already? Thank you. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop Morgana in here. So playing the 3 stage for now. My dream is still to get the Dragon Lord out. That's the plan.
Transcendence is never guaranteed.
Oh, short lives. Welcome to the team, bud. Probably saying this. I suppose what's going on here. I heard Norton Security. What am I doing here? I need one more Drain Lord. And that's team comps. Complete. I think we actually win this. This champion is busted. How mad is that player watching that happen? 23k. $67.
Stick to the plan.
We have a plan?
Oh, hello there.
Hello? You ready for me?
Okay, so we're doing this.
Yeah, this game's over. I don't think there's much they can do here. Sadly. What's with this guy and all those freaking 1 stars? 2 stars. This might be a double elimination if they fought my ghost. How did I only do 1500 damage? That does not seem right.
My journey's only beginning. Let's move. I've got people to inspire.
I think it's mine, guy. Got to move Econ. Boxed them out. Game's over. Alright guys, finally we got the win we were waiting for 5 games now. So like and subscribe for more content like that. That was busted. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.